countdown clock has resumed, and we are go for launch at 11:03 a.m. Pacific Time.
T-minus 15,
Ignition
14, 13,
Roll for ignition.
12, 11,
T-minus 10,
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We have ignition of the RS-68 engines. 2, 1, 0. We have liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Delta IV Heavy rocket carrying the NRO L-65 mission to the National Reconnaissance Office. You are hearing the voice of Steve Agate providing launch vehicle ascent data.
128 feet per second, downrange distance about 1/10 of a nautical mile.
MEQ, perform post-liftoff
Command
security.
to go to the partial thrust mode.
Roger.
And all
Decimal
three boosters.
224. Copy.
Good. Full thrust mode in port starboard booster, partial thrust mode in the core.
LC MEQ.
Go MEQ.
Post-liftoff securing complete.
Roger.
Coming up on 2 minutes. Mark, 2 minutes into the flight altitude now passing 13.5 nautical miles. Velocity 2,224 feet per second. Downrange distance 5.9 nautical miles.